Kung business owner ka, your credit card should be your best friend. Marami pa ding business owners ang takot gumamit ng credit card. Bakit? Kasi ang daming mga kwento ng mga taong nabaon sa utang at nasira ang buhay because of these plastic payment devices. Pero honestly, as a business owner, a credit card is a very important tool for you. Remember what I told you before about cash flow? When it comes to expenses, pay the slowest. Imagine, gagastos ka for the whole month pero isang bagsakan mo lang sila need bayaran the following month, giving you more time to maximize your cash to generate revenues before giving it away. Now, to keep you safe at hindi mag-backfire sa'yo yung credit cards na to, you need to have a well-defined budget na una, sinusunod at pangalawa, minomonitor. Kaya nga ang ganda ng Xero eh. You can create a budget there, tas pwede kang mag-generate ng profit and loss report where you compare your budget versus actuals in real time para alam mo kung pasok pa yan sa plano o lumalagpas ka na sa limit mo. This is called strategic spending. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.